Chapter 3. Past tense forms. The past tense is a verb tense expressing activity, action state, or being in the past. In English, there are two types of past tense: simple past, present tense. First, simple past includes simple past, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous. Second, the present tenses: present perfect continuous, present perfect. Present perfect and present perfect continuous both refer to the present and to the past. Examples: I have just eaten a bar of chocolate. Brijesh has never seen a car like this before. The present perfect tense suggests completion, while the continuous tense suggests something is unfinished. Present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. We use the present perfect tense to talk about things where there is a connection between the past and the present. He has written 16 books. He started writing books at some time in the past. So far, he has written 16 books. He may write more books. As well as the present perfect simple, we can use the present perfect continuous tense to talk about events with a connection to the present. First, read these two sentences. I have been decorating the house this summer. The focus is on the action, decorating, and the action is unfinished. I have painted the drawing room blue. The focus is on the finished result. The activity is finished, but we can see the result now. We use the present perfect continuous when the focus is on an activity that is unfinished. Second, read these two sentences. I have read the book that you lent me. I finished it yesterday. I have been reading this book that you lent me. I have got another 50 pages to read. The present perfect simple, I have read, gives the idea of completion, while the present perfect continuous, I have been reading, suggests that something is unfinished. Third, read these two sentences. She has been writing emails for 3 hours. She has written 10 messages. The present perfect continuous, has been writing, talks about how long something has been happening. The present perfect simple, has written, talks about how much or how many have been completed. Fourth, read these two sentences. I have worked here for 30 years. I usually work in London, but I have been working in Manchester for the last 3 weeks. We can use the present perfect simple to talk about how long when we view something as permanent. But the present perfect continuous is often used to show that something is temporary. Past tense forms. Differences and similarities between the simple past and the past continuous tenses. First, use simple past, past continuous. Action finished in the past, single or repeated. Action was in progress at a special time in the past. Series of completed actions in the past. 2 actions were happening at the same time. The actions do not influence each other. Second, form. Simple past, past continuous. Regular verbs, infinitive plus ed. Irregular verbs, second column of the table of the irregular verbs. Was or were plus infinitive plus ing. First person. Simple past, past continuous. I played football. I was playing football. Second person. You played football. You were playing football. Third person. He played football. He was playing football. Negative sentences. First person. Simple past, past continuous. I did not play football. I was not playing football. Second person. You did not play football. You were not playing football. Third person. He did not play football. He was not playing football. Interrogative sentences. First person. Simple past, past continuous. Did I play football? Was I playing football? Second person. Did you play football? Were you playing football? Third person. Did he play football? Was he playing football? Spelling. Simple past, past continuous. Stopped. Double the consonant after a short vowel. Sitting. Double the consonant after a short vowel. Loved. One E at the end of the word. Add only D. Writing. Drop the E. Worried. Consonant before Y. Changed to I. Lying. Change IE to Y. Use. Both tenses are often used in one sentence. While we were sitting at the breakfast table, the telephone rang. We were sitting at the breakfast table when the telephone rang. Past continuous. We were sitting at the table. Simple past. The telephone rang. We use the verb had and the past participle for the past perfect. Examples: I had finished the work. She had gone. The past perfect continuous is formed with had been and the ing form of the verb. Examples: I had been finishing the work. She had been going. The past perfect is used in the same way as the present perfect, but it refers to a time in the past, not the present. We use the past perfect tense for something that started in the past and continued up to a given time in the past. Examples: when Mr. Johnson died, he and Isabel had been married for nearly 50 years. She did not want to move. She had lived in Mexico all her life. We normally use the past perfect continuous for this. Examples: she did not want to move. She had been living in Mexico all her life. Everything was wet. It had been raining for hours. For something we had done several times up to a point in the past and continued to do after that point. Examples: he was a wonderful guitarist. He had been playing ever since he was a teenager. He had written 3 books and he was working on another one. I had been watching the program every week, but I missed the last episode. We often use a clause with since to show when something started in the past. Examples: they had been staying with us since the previous week. I was sorry when the factory closed. I had worked there since I left school. I had been watching that program every week since it started, but I missed the last episode. When we are reporting our experience and including up to the then present. Examples: My 90th birthday was the best day I had ever had. I was pleased to meet Ikram. I had not met him before, even though I had met his wife several times. For something that happened in the past but is important at the time of reporting. Examples: I could not get into the house. I had lost my keys. Aunt Betty was not at home. She had gone shopping. We use the past perfect to talk about the past in conditions, hypotheses, and wishes. Examples: I would have helped him if he had asked. It was very dangerous. What if you had got lost? I wish I had not spent so much money last month. The past perfect emphasizes completion or the result of a completed action, while the past perfect continuous emphasizes the duration or activity of an action. Examples: by the time we arrived, he had left the house. By the time we arrived, he had been playing snooker with his friends for 2 hours. Structure of past perfect: positive, negative, question. I, you, he, she, it, we, they had gone. I, you, he, she, it, we, they had not gone. Had I, you, he, she, it, we, they gone? Structure of past perfect continuous: positive, negative, question. I, you, he, she, it, we, they had been going. I, you, he, she, it, we, they had not been going. Had I, you, he, she, it, we, they been going?